We're going to make another Dollar Tree wreath this time. We're using a 14-inch wreath frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. 6 things of white deca mesh that I got from the Dollar Tree. Some ribbon that I got from Amazon, 4 of them. And a snowman diamond art to put in the middle. I'm going to use these silver pipe cleaners and I'm going to cut them into thirds. I'm take my mesh, measure 12 inches. Overlap it about 1 inch. Flatten it. Pinch it from one side to the other. Just like so. Take your pipe cleaner, wrap it around the center. Grab it on the other side, push everything up and wrap and twist it about 3 times. I'll be back after I get all of my butterfly flowers all made and show you how I put them on my wreath frame. After that, we're going to be ready to connect them to our wreath frame. It's a 14-inch wreath frame. It has 6 sections. So we're going to turn our wreath frame upside down. We're going to start connecting them to the 2nd and the 3rd rung. The 2nd and the 3rd rung. Alternating. There you have one section, and what I did was I made all my links 12 inches long, and I used 1 thing of deca mesh that I got from the Dollar Tree. So that is one section. for the last little touch is I hot glued some Christmas different flowers and greenery around the outer edge. I put my diamond art in the middle, and it makes a cute Christmas wreath that can be used all through winter.